So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you big bang update about Sundo coin because friends you see last 24 hour 87% pump here within just 24 hours. In last 24 hours this meme coin is right now more than 2x. Okay, before that this meme coin was trading around $32 million, but right now you can see Spark Cap is $64 million here. So massive rally in Sundo coin price. Recently, I also buy Sundog for $10 for long term, around $33 million, and right now I'm also 2x profit here. But I'm not going to sell soon this Sundog coin. And friends, in this video, I will also share you is price prediction that is it possible that we can see Sundog market up to $10 billion here. There will be one Sundog equal to $10 here or not. Can Binance Future will list soon this coin, and after that we can see its listing on Coinbase or not. So video will be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. The Sundog current price $0.064, pump almost 80% last 24 hours, 86% last 7 days, 91% last 14 days, and 3% in last 30 days. Current market cap is right now 64 million. Recently, I buy Sundog and I also share you in my Telegram that I buy Sundog recently around $32 million market cap. But right now, you can see this meme coin is now double than its previous market cap. Trading volume in last 24 hours is $50.7 million. This is amazing. 1 billion coin supply and all in circulation. This is good. Tron ecosystem, dog theme meme coin. That's why this meme coin has massive high, only at 3% down than its all time high and 109% up than its all time low. There was 17 days ago. This month, this meme coin has made its all time low, and right now we are going upward here. And maybe if market can goes well, then definitely we can see Sundog new all time high. Also, we can see friends Bybit, BitGet, Get.io, Kukan, and definitely we can see its listing on Binance Future soon. And after that we can see its listing on maybe Coinbase also, because dog the meme coin and Tron ecosystem. So definitely possible that this meme coin can be the next listing for all best central exchanges. Yes, right now, not only Sundog is pumping, but all other Tron ecosystem meme coins are also pumping here. You can see Suncat, okay, that's pumped by 44% here. Okay, Sun Wukong is also pumped by 18% here. And Tron Bull, 18%. And other Tron Bull pumped by almost 9% here. So, no doubt, performs from all TRX ecosystem meme coin is right now good. But as I already told you that Sundog, Suncat, and this Sun Wukong are my favorite meme coin in Tron ecosystem. Okay, first one is Sundog, second one is Suncat, and third one is this Sun Wukong. I'm holding all three meme coins okay on MEX exchange. And if you have not MEX exchange account yet, I provide you MEX exchange and Get.io exchanges accounts links in description. You have to join both central exchanges and you can purchase all newly launched best meme coins there before listing on major central exchanges. At first, my price prediction about Sandoz is that as its current market cap is $64 million, but its circulation supply is only 1 billion coin, so it's definitely possible that in this year mega balloon super cycle meme coins mega balloon we can see Sundog market up to $1 billion here. For a meme coin hitting $1 billion market cap is normal in crypto market, because this crypto market everything is possible. So it's definitely possible that we can see Sundog market up to $1 billion here. There will be $1 price for Sundog, but these type of meme coins has definitely potential, and because still Binance and Coinbase exchanges are live, so if it's possible that we can see Sundog listing on Binance Coinbase this year, then definitely we can see Sundog market maybe up to 3 to 5 billion here, and there will be $3 to $5 price for one Sundog coin. It's definitely possible, friends, because high market, high trading volume meme coin and Tron ecosystem. Tron ecosystem founder Justin Sun is also promoting this meme coin Sandok. So it means that major centralizers will also list this coin, and definitely with this meme coin has potential to reach at least 5 to maybe $10 billion market. It's really possible that we can see Sundog coin market around 5 to $10 billion. There will be one Sundog price up to maybe $5 to $10 here. It's really possible that one Sundog will equal to maybe 5 or $10 by the end of this year mega balloon. What's your price prediction? You can must comment down below.